Dr. Campbell assisted me as being individually by sharing, first of all, the knowledge and insight of what a man should be to his wife, to his children, both spiritually and physically. Because I had an understanding that as long as I took care of my family, everything was okay. But she enlightened me that the family needs more. The family needs, nurturing along with financial stability. Need love along with financial stability. My wife, she taught me how to deal with my wife from a standpoint of trying to understand her as an emotional being. Everything is just not black and white. There is gray area. There's imperfections that I have to understand and not be so stern on what I think should be. And also, it's just a plethora of different things, and it actually makes me emotional talking about it, because it's down within and trying to get it out now. As you can see, I'm stumbling because I'm trying to remember it all, but the reality is, it was exhilarating, it was knowledgeable, it was heartfelt, it was honest, brutal conversation and teaching. And I enjoyed every moment of it, and I can't ask for a better person to share my life, to allow into our lives, our personal lives, into our confidence. And if I could tell anyone, I would say that she would definitely help grow a family, bring a marriage together, and enlighten children, your kids, on things that would allow them to see life in a different perspective.
What words of thanks would you say to her?
I would say thank you, thank you, thank you. And I could never say those words enough to reflect the gratitude that's in my heart for you and all that you have done for my family, all that you have done for me, the intense counseling sessions we have had, for you coming and just showing us the root of things that need to be dealt with, the root of things that was causing cycles in our life. I'm just forever thankful. The tools that you have equipped us with that we can use in our marriage, as parents, and across the board in our lives. We're forever grateful, because we see the manifestation of the work that you have done for our family. Thank you.
And I'd like to thank you for many of the same reasons. Again, words can't express the amount of appreciation that we have for you, and the sacrifices that you made to come, down here to North Carolina to help us. And that was the first teaching that I learned, the sacrifice. And I just like to thank you personally for doing that in itself. The words of all the sessions, all the conversation we had, the biggest teacher was the sacrifice.